Hello guys, I am so happy to be joining you on this discussion board. I will be going over how to save an attachment to an email, how you basically attach a file and send it through an email. So, first things first, I am going to go to my Gmail. And I'm going to wait for that to open up, and I am going to, after I get my email open, it seems I tried to do this a few minutes ago in another video that I had to delete just because Google Chrome is not being too friendly with me right now. It wasn't wanting to open up my email, nor was it recognizing my password, but I found when I used Explorer, I was able to get inside of my Gmail. Okay, great. So now that I am on my Gmail, I am going to do compose. Now, for me, I usually save everything on my USB just because for me that's easier. I know a lot of people have different ways that they like to save things, but for me, you have the option to save it to your desktop too, and you can also attach it there as well. While I'm waiting for my Compose New, it's going a little slow, I will open up my files to see which file I'm going to attach to the email. So once I go in here, I have some files in my desktop, have a few downloads, and also, documents, different little things. But for me, I am going to go to my USB drive, and I'm going to find a file that I want to attach to my email. So I guess I'll just go with something quick that I have here in my folder that's saved. I guess I will pick bipolar depression. And how to do that is you would just simply wait, I'm doing this all wrong actually. So now I know that I want to use, excuse me guys, I want to use the bipolar depression. So I'm going to minimize this, and I'm actually going to send it to myself. So you just look for the person's email. In this case, you'll look for whoever email that you want to attach this file to. I'm just going to attach it to myself. And I am going to do a subject of, I'll just say bipolar, so I know what file I'm looking for. So now, to attach that file to this email so I can send the email, I will simply go to this little icon here. It kind of looks like a little paper clip. So I will click on that. And then that will bring up my desktop. Well, for my computer, I was already inside of my USB drive, so it's basically just open to the last screen I was on. But I know for some people, they can either choose to go to the Windows or go on their desktop, where, once the USB is inserted, it kind of, once you click on your folder, it basically brings up all the things that you have saved. In this case, I am going to be using my USB drive E. And I am going to go down and find bipolar depression. So we're going to click on that. And once you click on the item that you want to attach to your email, you would then make sure it's in the file name here. And then you will go over to open. And once you do that, you see right here where it's going to start downloading it. It's pretty simple, pretty quick process. So now that I've seen that it went there, unless you have more to say in your attachment, you can just choose something to say if you have more to say, or let a person know what file you're attaching to yourself. But in this case, since I'm sending it to myself, I'm not going to write anything in the body. of my email, because I know that I'm just sending this to myself. But if you were to send this to someone, of course you would, say what it is that you're attaching. So I'm going to simply hit send. Boom. There we go. Bipolar. There it is. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was informative. Please let me know how you feel and throughout the discussion post. Thank you.